Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Harsh Koshya and today I'm gonna review this Wacom One Creative Pen display. So let's get started. This Wacom One is Wacom's latest graphic tablet and I'm really excited to test it out. So Wacom is offering most affordable pen display. So now in this video I'm gonna do a demonstration video where I will make original character to just test out this tablet. So first of all look at this pen. This pen is very natural and tiny just like a original pen. So I'm gonna do some testing by opening Photoshop and draw some lines. Pen is really smooth and it feels so natural. Now look at the behavior of the brush, how accurately lines come out. I have drawn some lines and we'll see how it performs. Now I am doing some circles to see how it performs. Wow, this is amazing. Pen feels very responsive and it responds very almost fast among all other pens techniques. So now let's test out some brushes. I'll pick some brushes from a brush pack I downloaded from Google. It has a tilt feature. of this tablet responds very fast and natural. It is very smooth, like a pen on the paper. It runs very smooth without stucking. Very responsive. So now I'm going to do quick shading on this circle to see how shade work in this tablet. So I have the circle and with a gray color, and now I'm adding some scratches over this metal ball I did. As you can see, you can do very detailed work over here. Speaking of this tablet, I'm gonna tell you that you should definitely buy if you are beginner or amateur. From my experience using this tablet is definitely worth it. And also, I'm gonna thank you Wacom India for sending me this Wacom one. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video.